Hello friends, as you can see today at my home, my parents are making the desi kukuda, which is very famous in Odisha. And you can see that I am going to eat it. Definitely. Also, desi kukuda, I will eat it up. And there is having a feast which is having the desi kukuda. And the butcher is cutting like this. Kachang, and the desi kukuda became kimma. Kimma janchuna be? Kimma. The desi kukuda is very famous in Odisha because it gives golden onda. Oh, see, desi kukuda na very beautiful. She be furry, not very cold, not ठीक ठाक medium temperature ଅଛି तार जो big thonta na desi kukuda which is very famous has cut it out. The big desi kukuda thanko is not famous because you know. And the most usually thing is that in this Udia Chua, Udia Pilla, Udia Basi, they all eat like this. They make the disgusting abaji. That makes the desi kukuda run away. And now I'm going to show you the butcher cuts like this. He tears out the head and throw it out because the desi kukuda's head we can't eat it. And I don't know that desi kukuda masala, desi kukuda haldi सब पड़ता है वहाँ. And that is famous क्योंकि उसका वो जो होता है वो बहुत beautiful is that. And the desi kukuda is very shiny because it gave Sunna onda desi. And you know that the desi kukura boliya apachti huए. Isang tukoi buna kaku kita desi kukura tak thori kaso. Si kon koi bujuchu. Okay, I'm going to catch the desi kukura. And that makes everyone laugh. Because that Udiya log gets mad.